Hey you guys, Raquel here, coming to show you all how I make juice using a blender and a strainer. I just cut up all my vegetables that I showed you previously, and I also added ginger, blended in my blender, and then I use a strainer over a glass bowl to let the juice strain. This is for like if you're not feeling a smoothie that day. I love juices over smoothies. It's easier on the stomach. It doesn't cause too much bloating from the fiber. And allows me to, just get the smooth juice taste. I like just pure juice, you guys. I cannot stand pulp sometimes. I have to have it's acquired taste for me. So after I strain all the juice out, I just pour the pulp inside of another bowl, a clean bowl, and then I continue to strain the rest of my juice. So as you can see, I'm like filling it up in my glass pitcher, and I'm gonna refrigerate it. And it's really that simple. If you do not have a strainer, you can also use cheesecloths, which is what I prefer usually because you get all the juice out. And when you use a strainer, it's pretty hard to get all the juices out without wasting. But I don't really care because I'm doing it for the sake of the video. But I would truly recommend a cheesecloth. So the last of the juice, I'm just going to pour in a glass for myself with some ice. And that is all, you guys. Thanks for watching. It's really that simple. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and share this video.